know about you guys, but after I get home from the gym, I love to have a good protein shake. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a chocolate protein shake. So when you get your blender, the first thing you're going to want to do is add about 2 cups of ice. After you add your ice, you're going to want to take your protein powder. I'm using chocolate protein powder, but it can be any kind. I'm just a chocolate lover, so this is my favorite protein powder to use. And you're just going to want to add 1 scoop with the scooper that comes in the protein powder. After you add your protein powder, you're going to want to add about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So what I do is I just take a spoon and go like that. I know that a lot of people like to use the PB Fit powder, but this is just the the peanut butter that I have. So just add it in just like that. Okay, perfect. And then this part is optional, but if you like it to be a little bit sweeter, I like to add a little bit of honey. And it doesn't really matter how much you add. You just be like a little drizzle. That just helps it be a little sweeter if you have a sweet tooth. The last ingredient that you're going to want to add to the protein shake is milk. I'm using fat-free milk, but it really doesn't matter, just whatever milk you like to have. I know a lot of people like to do almond milk. So you just add that. Okay, and we are about ready to blend. The reason why protein shakes are perfect after a workout is because protein provides amino acids that repair the damaged muscles during your workout, and this promotes muscle recovery, strength, and promotes muscle growth. So the lid is now on my protein shake. I'm going to screw it into the blender, make sure it screws tight, and then you're gonna wanna press the button on your blender that says smoothie, and you're just gonna wanna blend it for a few seconds, so. After your protein shake is all blended, you're gonna wanna make sure you have a glass to put it in. So you're gonna unscrew it from your blender and take off the lid. And then you're just gonna pour it into your glass. Just like so. And make sure you get it all in there. And now you have a perfect chocolate protein shake, perfect for after your workout. This is my favorite way to make a protein shake after a workout, but there are so many different ways to make protein shakes. I hope you enjoyed.